vessel to be used. Whatever Spirit needs of me, I will be, I will be, I will be. Here I stand. My heart is here to serve. Wherever love is leading me, I will go, I will go, I will go.
And here I stand, celebrating this moment, celebrating the love that I am, that self-love, that comforting, warm hug. And I know that everyone here is that expression of love. As we go inward and open that door to our soul, we know that everyone that we meet is an expression of God. And we come together as a community today, listening to the music, listening to the message the Spirit speaks through Reverend Laura today, that we cultivate that love within ourselves, so when we meet people, we can meet them where they are, right here and right now, knowing that they are exactly as who we are. So as we come together, we know that that expression of God is within everything and everyone. And we feel the music, we feel each other's presence and energy, knowing that we are individuals, but yet we are one voice, one mind. So today is just a celebration of being together, a feeling of that energy of love that flows through and intertwines each one of us like a tapestry of love and connection. And so we just breathe in and breathe out and feel the peace and the serenity and the gentleness and the softness of this day. And so it is.
Here I am, a vessel to be used. Whatever Spirit needs of me, I will be, I will be, I will be. Here I stand. My heart is here to serve. Wherever love is leading me, I will go, I will go, I will go. Whatever Spirit needs of me, I will be, I will be, I will be.